Hey, check out this new renovation at 924 Johnson Street in Raeford, North Carolina. Convenient to Fayetteville, Fort Bragg, and Pinehurst as well. This is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty. And for more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. That's the number 4. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition. Some beautiful brick veneer there, fresh mulch, front porch, carport with some outside storage, and we're on a corner lot. And I can't wait to show you the inside. Living room here, coat closet there. Blinds and fans throughout. Fresh paint, all new flooring. And there's the door to the carport. Next is this pretty kitchen. Brand new stainless steel appliances. Granite counters. Subway tile backsplash. Let's get a closer look. Here's the sink. You can put a table right there. Laundry room with hot water heater. Might also have some space to make part of that a pantry. And the backyard. Big deck, freshly stained. And down the hallway, 3 bedrooms and 1 full bath. Really attractive vanity, toilet and shower. And another look at the vanity. The second bedroom and the last bedroom. Small walk-in closet there. And thanks for watching the tour. You can give me a call, 910-723-8888 for your own private tour of this or any home for sale in town. And also to have your property listed for sale on my channel. And please check back soon for more videos on my channel. Thanks for watching.